Hello, we're Tangerine, and we are Revolt.
Some like you, they're honest. And could I say the same? Even though you're taunting me, you made me feel some kind of way. Now I could keep my hands real clean, but then it'd never be. It's what I try to tell myself. I was born free. You know we got so good, just about done. We were born, never give up what I found. Brought myself to the water. I didn't know how close I could until you said, "Hey, sleepwalker."